It's been a while since I've flown my UMX Air Tractor. This is AT2 in my terminology. My Mr. Maglew is definitely out of commission for a while after it caught a fence. This one here we'll have to see. I actually had a problem with the propeller mount. It was broken. I had a long time fixing it. And so we'll see how it goes up. I'm also going to fly my UMX Turbo Timber Evolution today, as well as the UMX Consendo after this. So let's see, I haven't flown this in probably 2 months or so. So here it goes. Flaps will go down. Let's check the control surfaces. Aileron's good. Rudder's good. Elevator's good. Flaps are down. See if I'm going to go full flaps just to get it up in the air quick. It's just a little bit of wind out of the west. So here we go. Flying a little bit nose heavy. But it's flying.
Flaps down, flaps up.
Flaps are up now. Took a long time to get off the ground. Sun's really coming out now. There we go. Flying a little better now. Flying on a 2S 300 Spectrum battery. Flying fairly straight. Well, just a hair of a drift, but that's where the wind's coming from. So I'd say we're flying really well. Other than maybe just a little nose heavy.
6 minutes.
Come down low for a low pass. Over this way. I didn't bring any 3S's today. I usually fly this on 3S, but since it was flying kind of a repaired plane, I wanted to fly a little slower on a 2S. Flying really well. I'm happy. Just flying in safe today. Again, I may flick it out in a little bit just to make sure the trim's looking good, but right now it's flying kind of the way I wanted it to fly, as in the air. A little bit of right rudder trim would be good. Flat turns are doing pretty well there. That's full throttle on this 2S. It's a little bit of a heavy plane because there's a little bit of glue on this bad boy too. And I'm sure it was pilot error that caused those crashes. Beautiful plane though. I love flying the Air Tractor. The way it's flying, I really wish I had brought a 3S battery. Pretty blue sky. Nice foliage in that tree. Great turns. Let's see if I can do kind of a stall turn with it. Not really. I don't think I'll do that again. At least till I get a little more familiar with how this is flying. Like I said, it's been a while.
Low battery.
I'm supposed to have 3 minutes left, but I'm at 3.5 volts, so It's recovering to about 3.6, so I'm going to go around a couple more times and then bring it down on the infield here. I was flying pretty hard on wide open throttle.
Low battery.
Yeah, I hear you. Alright, we'll go around one more time. Line it up a little bit there. Slow it down. Fortunately, I'm going to have to land a little crosswind. Ooh, a lot crosswind there.
Disarmed.
Ooh.
Armed. Low battery. Disarmed. Safety off.